There are actually two methods. You can reverse the string and you can check it with the reverse, or you can actually check the first letters with the last letter and moving onwards. So I will use the reverse option first. So you can use two methods for reverse. String builder class provides reverse method, so you can actually convert the string to string builder object and you can use the inbuilt reverse method. But I am not using that in this particular case. I will be taking each character by character and I will be reversing the string. For reversing, I would be probably writing a for loop where I would be mentioning int I equal to the size of the string. We can get the size of the string using the string name dot length function. Length method is an inbuilt method in Java. So I would be actually declaring the string str accept the string str, and then I would be try to reverse using the for loop. I would be taking the last of the string. So if the string size is n, the last letter of the string will be positioned in n-1 and the condition will be I greater than 0, I greater than or equal to 0, because the first element will be positioned in 0 and I would be minusing the I. I would be going with the variable reversed in order to save the reverse. So I would be writing reverse equal to reverse plus. In order to take a particular character in a string, we can use the character at method in So if you use str.character at I, you will be getting the character at ith position. So we have already received the reverse, so we can actually check whether the reverse is equal to, the value of reverse is equal to the string value. Since string is a class, we cannot actually go with the double equal to method, since it will check only the address of the string and reverse are equal. So I would go with reverse dot equals. This would actually check the values in both string and reverse. If both are equal, I would try to print it's a palindrome. If not equal, I will print not a palindrome. So we can start writing the program. I would be writing the class, I would be writing the main function, I will follow the algorithm. So I would be declaring str and reverse. For accepting the string, I would be using the scanner class. string, I will be writing the for loop to reverse the string. As I mentioned in the algorithm, I will be using int I equal to string dot length minus 1 until I minus minus. So it is saying that reverse is not initialized, so I would be initializing the reverse. I have already received the reverse, so I am planning to check whether string and reverse are equal. And if both are equal, I would be printing using the println method that it's a palindrome. And in the else case, I would be printing it's not palindrome. Let's run the program. There is actually a spelling mistake. I will correct it and I will rerun. So I would go with Malayalam first since it's a palindrome. So it is mentioning as palindrome. I will go with a non-palindrome. So it's not a palindrome. I will test with one more test case. I would go with Malayalam where M is capital. I would be predicting that it should be palindrome. But I am not getting not a palindrome because when you use the equals, it will be checking the case sensitivity also. So you can actually ignore the case sensitivity. So I would be using equal ignore case. It would be actually checking whether it's present M. It won't be, if you use equal ignore case, it won't be checking whether it's capital or small. So this is already an inbuilt function in string class. We can rerun the program. So we have received Malayalam with M capital as palindrome.